Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm barefaced, so you guys know what that means. It's time for another facial DIY video. Today I'm going to share my best kept secret with all of you guys. I'm going to teach you guys how to brighten your skin, lighten your skin, and get rid of suntan instantly. This is an all-natural DIY recipe, and there's a couple of steps, but they all really help brighten your skin. This remedy is also great for if you have acne or suffer from oily skin, because it really helps balance those oils out on your face. And it's also generally great for getting clear, spotless skin. So if you do have darkness around your mouth, or you do have dark marks, or even acne scars, this remedy really helps to even out the skin tone. So if you guys want to see the remedy, keep on watching. So we are starting off with cleansing our face. I am using the Clarice Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. You can use any cleanser that you want, and you can also use milk as a cleanser if you guys prefer. I am going to be using my facial brush to get a really nice deep clean. It is time to wash our face, and then we're going to move right on to exfoliating our skin. So to make our amazing exfoliating scrub, all we need is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. To that we are adding 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey, and to finish off our scrub, we are going to add the juice of half of a lemon. You don't need to add too much juice. You can just add juice according to the consistency, and we want a nice scrubby texture. Okay guys, we have our scrub over here. This is such an easy homemade scrub. I use this all over my body, and I have shared this on my face, not on my face, on my page before. So all I'm going to do is apply this all over my face, and I'm going to make sure that I'm exfoliating really well. If you are sensitive to lemon juice, you can use orange juice as well, or potato juice. I'm also going to scrub my lips while I am scrubbing my face. Once you have scrubbed for 2 to 3 minutes, all we're going to do is wash off our face, and we're going to move right into the mask. So all you need for this mask is some grated tomato. Now all I used is 1/4 of a tomato for one treatment. You can use a whole tomato and store this juice. We are going to add some plain yogurt to this. This needs to be natural yogurt. We are also adding some turmeric, and we are going to finish off with the zest of a lemon and a little bit of the juice. As I mentioned before, if you guys are sensitive to the lemon juice, skip the lemon juice and add potato juice instead, because it does do the same thing. Okay guys, our skin already looks super bright, and now we're moving on to the actual mask. We are just going to apply this mask to our clean skin, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and going to wash it right off. This mask is amazing because it contains tomatoes, and tomatoes are not only great at balancing out the oils on your skin, but they are also amazing at brightening the skin because they do have lightening properties. They are also full of good acids, which really help get rid of dead skin on the surface of the skin. We've also included lemons, which, as you guys all probably already know by now, are amazing at brightening because they have a vitamin C. The yogurt is also amazing because it's going to help really soften our skin and also exfoliate our skin. And all we need to do is now wait for this to dry. Okay guys, we can see that the facial has dried to a great extent. I'm just going to wash my face and move on to toning my face now. So guys, I just washed my face. I can already see an instant brightening effect. I'm going to be using this glycerin with the rose water just to tone my skin. This also helps get rid of any turmeric stains that you might have gotten from the facial. And to finish up, I'm using my homemade glow serum. If you guys have not checked out my recipe for this, I will link it below. But it essentially contains aloe vera, vitamin E oil, and some other great stuff. And I like to use this after my facials because I know that my skin is super clean and it's going to absorb any nutrients that I give it. So I like to apply like serums or you know, really good moisturizers right after the facials and just let my skin kind of absorb the goodness. So after you do this facial, it's best to do this at night. Your skin can get a bit sensitive because of the lemon juice and the tomato. So if you are going out, make sure you're wearing sunscreen. We are done with this awesome DIY. I hope you guys do try it out. If you do try it out and find it helpful, let me know in the comments section below. I love to hear from all of you guys. Also, let me know what you guys want to see next, and if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube, hit the subscription box below and don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I do upload. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.